The U.S. Surgeon General says COVID-19 hospitalizations have peaked and have started trending down. That's from a tweet he sent out earlier today. Now, here are the latest numbers in Ohio when it comes to coronavirus. Health officials are reporting 5,247 new cases of COVID-19. That brings the total number to more than 826,000. More than 10,000 Ohioans have died from the virus, including 65 new deaths in 24 hours. 141 new hospitalizations were also reported. NBC4's Eric Halperin is in Columbus tonight with the latest on Ohio's hospitalization numbers and whether a local infectious disease expert agrees with the Surgeon General's tweet.
Data on the state's COVID-19 dashboard shows that right now there are about 3,700 hospitalized coronavirus patients here in Ohio. That's down about 800 from roughly 2 weeks ago. A local infectious disease expert says it's too early to tell if we've peaked. Sunday morning, U.S. Surgeon General Jerome Adams took to Twitter saying, "Hopeful news, America. Hospitalizations have finally peaked and started trending down. Mitigation and vaccinations are working. We've got at least 2 to 3 more rough weeks."
Ask me in a couple of weeks, we'll have a better picture by then.
In Ohio, hospitalizations are down by about 800 patients from roughly 2 weeks ago. But Ohio health infectious disease expert Dr. Joseph Gastaldo says it's too soon to tell if they've peaked.
It is positive, but again, it's one lagging indicator. What does that mean moving forward with the more easily transmissible variants?
The latest trend of hospitalizations in Ohio comes as Columbus City Schools prepares to welcome some students back in person next month, and OSU welcomes students back this week.
All of those things collectively do paint a bit of picture. We want people back in school. We want the colleges open. We want businesses open. But we have to recognize that we have a more transmissible strain that is here in North America.
Later, replying to another doctor on Twitter, the Surgeon General said we are at a high plateau and have several more rough weeks ahead. People need to be reassured that while bad, things can get and are slowly and slightly getting better. Eventually writing, "Truth plus hope is key to motivating the public."
Too early to tell. Yes, it is a slim glimmer of sunshine. As time goes on, if those numbers hold out, that glimmer of sunshine will turn into a huge ray of sunshine.
The Surgeon General and Dr. Gastaldo are reminding everyone that mask wearing, good hygiene, and social distancing is still as important as ever. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Eric Halperin, NBC4.